Hey everyone, I'm the Off-Grid Vegan Chef, and in today's episode I'm going to badly injure and embarrass myself trying to make this simple chutney recipe. First I'm going to pick a peck of prickly pears because I thought they would make a nice addition to the chutney. Ow. 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 Who was the first maniac that tried to eat these things? Ow. They must have been high on peyote. This is crazy. Now I'll just give these prickly little buggers a bath. Swirl them around here a bit. Ow! There's like invisible spikes all over these things. There's like 100 in my finger. Why did I take my gloves off? Ow! Alright, let's try to be a little smarter about this. Oh, come on, little bugger. Jesus, this is a pain in the ass. It's like rotted on the inside or something. Alright, try another one. Get over here. Come on. It looks weird. What is going on? That's... Alright, you know what? The prickly pears. In a non-stick pan, I'm sauteing 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, and 1 serrano pepper until they're lightly brown. Then I'm going to add 2 very big spoonfuls of apricot jam, because I'm way too lazy to make this from scratch, so take the easy way out. It's quite thick, so I'm going to add just a little bit of water to thin it out. And now I'm just going to mash up some of the bigger pieces of apricot and basically just simmer and stir this until it thickens up a bit and comes together. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of turmeric, a dash of ground cardamom, a little bit of cracked black pepper, and about 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Now I'll just give it a good stir and just let this continue cooking until I think it looks right. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So now I'm just going to kill the heat and squeeze in just a few drops of lemon juice and then just stir it all up again. And now I have to somehow transfer this into my tiny jar. Oh, I can't believe this is actually working. Wow. Scrape off some of this here. Hey, what do you know? I didn't that up. That was unexpected. Pop the lid on. And voila, look at that beautiful, delicious apricot chutney. Alright, I'm excited to give this a try. I know this is going to be good. Delicious. Yeah, really good. Really, really good. It's it's sweet and it's salty and it's spicy and it's tangy. It's just kind of like a little bit of everything. Go ahead and get some more here. Woo! Yeah, that's good. Man, there you have it, folks. Apricot chutney. I really hope you give this recipe a try, and I'll see you in the next episode.